how to construct a set out of list items in Python. I have a list of file names in Python, and I would want to construct a set out of all the file names. This does not seem to work. How can do this? If you have a list of hashable objects, file names would probably be strings, so they should count. You can construct the set directly. In fact, set will work this way with any iterable object. Isn't duck typing great? If you want to do it iteratively. But there's rarely a need to do it this way. I only mention it because the set.add method is quite useful.
The most direct solution is this. The issue in your original code is that the values weren't being assigned to the set. Here's the fixed-up version of your code.
Here is another solution. In this code, I have used the set method in order to turn it into a set, and then it removed all duplicate values from the list.
You can do or in Python 3 to create a set from a list. Conversely, you can also do or in Python 3 to create a list from a set. Just note that the order of the elements in a list is generally lost when converting the list to a set, since a set is inherently unordered. One exception in Python, though, seems to be if the list consists only of non-negative integers, but I assume this is a consequence of the implementation of sets in Python and that this behavior can vary between different Python implementations.
If you want to support the channel, please consider writing